You may have seen solar panels while driving on the highway or even on top of houses. They can power from the littlest toy car to the satellites in space. Russell Ohl invented the solar cell, opening a world of possibilities for us today. But how do they work? Solar panels are devices that convert solar energy into electricity or to directly power a device while being environmentally friendly. Solar panels are made up of tiny units called photovoltaic cells, or solar cells, which are conjoined together. Solar cells are commonly made up of 2 layers of silicon, creating a solar electric sandwich. Between these 2 layers of silicon lays an electric field. This field is split into 2 parts, the p-type semiconductor and the n-type semiconductor. In between this is the p-n junction, which is the cross point between the 2 sections. If you want to find more about that, click the card right in the top right corner of your screen. The p side has an excess of holes, while the n side has an excess of electrons. Holes are essentially spaces where electrons could be, but just aren't. Now where does the sun come in? Well, the sunlight's rays, aka photons, can knock the electrons loose of their bonds, creating a hole. This also excites the electrons, and they are drawn to the metal fingers along the outside of the panel, where they are then transferred to wires. Then you have your own free, environmentally friendly electricity. And that's the science behind solar.